Eggs are the workhorse of the kitchen, versatile, packed with protein, and found in almost every fridge. Whether you're making breakfast, baking a cake, or whipping up a quick snack, eggs are always there to save the day. They're affordable, nutritious, and can be cooked in so many different ways. It's no wonder they're a chef's best mate, always ready to lend a hand in any recipe, from simple scrambles to gourmet soufflés. But let's be honest, some of you are still messing them up. Overcooked yolks, rubbery whites, shells everywhere, sound familiar? Even the most experienced cooks can struggle to get eggs just right. That's why I'm here to show you foolproof tricks and time-saving hacks to conquer the egg, so you never have to worry about breakfast disasters again. Get ready to up your egg game. We're about to crack this wide open. By the end of this guide, you'll be making perfect eggs every single time, with confidence and ease. Start with a flat surface, no wobbly nonsense. Gently rock the egg back and forth to find where it balances. That's your cracking spot. No more eggshells in your cake. Simple, clean, and mess-free. Running late and need breakfast in a flash? Forget about pouring cereal or waiting for toast. Instead, grab a microwave-safe plate and give it a quick spray with oil. Crack a fresh egg right in the center, then gently prick the yolk with a fork to prevent it from bursting. Pop it in the microwave for 30 to 60 seconds, keeping a close eye on it. In no time, you'll have a perfectly cooked, sunny-side-up egg. No rubbery mess, just fast, easy, and delicious breakfast ready to go. Unsure if your egg's fresh? Drop it in a bowl of cold water. If it sinks and lies flat, you're good. If it floats, bin it. Don't risk food poisoning. Easy way to check every time. For fluffy, restaurant-worthy scrambled eggs, crack eggs into a bowl, add full-fat milk, salt and pepper. Whisk until pale and frothy. Cook on low heat, stirring constantly until just set and creamy. No rubbery eggs, just silky perfection. Get your pan hot, add oil and crack the egg confidently on the edge. Let it sizzle. Perfect breakfast every time. Boil eggs in the microwave. Yes, really. Cover the egg with salted water. Microwave for 3-7 minutes depending on doneness, then straight into an ice bath. Foolproof, fast, and no fuss. For perfect runny yolks, start eggs in cold water. Bring to a boil, cover, and remove from heat. Let sit for 5 minutes, then ice bath. Perfect every time. Want a breakfast trick? Shake an egg vigorously in your hand to mix yolk and white. Boil as usual. Peel to reveal a perfectly scrambled egg inside. Impressive and easy. Crack an egg one-handed, tap, pry, and open with confidence. Master this and you'll look like a pro. Separate yolks from whites with a plastic water bottle. Squeeze, place over the yolk and release. Yolk gets sucked right up. No mess, just magic. Crack eggs into a mug. Add milk, season, whisk and microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring each time. Fluffy scrambled eggs in under a minute. Heat a non-stick pan, add butter, crack in your egg, season and cook low and slow. White set gently, yolk stays runny. Classic and delicious. Bake eggs in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. No boiling needed. Cool in an ice bath. Perfect hard-boiled eggs, no fuss. Peeling boiled eggs? Shake them in a bowl of cold water. The shells slip right off. No more mangled eggs. Easy peeling every time. For sous vide eggs, crack into plastic wrap, seal and simmer in water. 11 minutes for soft, 13 for medium, 17 for hard. Restaurant quality eggs at home. There you have it, 15 incredible egg hacks that will completely transform the way you cook eggs at home. No more rubbery whites, no more overcooked yolks, just perfectly cooked eggs every single time. Give these tips a try and let me know which hack was your absolute favorite in the comments below. I'd love to hear how they worked for you. And if you enjoyed these kitchen tips, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious ideas. Now go on, get cracking, and get out of my kitchen.